Are you tired of digging through Semrush without finding the insights you need? Learn how to run industry and bulk analysis in under 3 minutes. First, we'll set up your project folders. Then, unlock the Traffic and Market Toolkit. Finally, run bulk analysis on your competitors. Go to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the first highlight. Then, click on the next highlight. Now, click on the third highlight. Click on Unlock Competitor and Audience Insights with Traffic and Market Toolkit Pro. Click on Get Free Trial. Click on View Sample. Click on Bulk Analysis. Then, click on Bulk Analysis again. Click on Analyze. Click on Drop File here or Browse to upload your file. Click on Bulk Analysis once more. Click on Visits. Then click on Unique Visitors. Finally, click on Purchase Conv to complete the check. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.